Hello everyone, this is Bisnetplus back on your way again. So guys, I will just want you to like, to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell if you've not done so. And also, before I forget, check the description below. The first link you see, click on it, then join us on the Telegram channel. So we have free signal that we dropped today, one in the public channel and the other one in the VIP. All right, so guys, everything has came in profit. All right, so I quickly want to tell you something on this, and I want you to listen very carefully. So guys, if you're having something like this, the next thing you need to do is, number one, either to close. Don't bother yourself, because when you look at the journey that this has, you see, from the entry point up here, it's massive. It's massive already. All right. But at the same time, if you are having multiple spikes as such, see, multiple, all right, multiple, like 3 spikes. Yeah, 4 spikes on a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? On a row. If you're having something like this, all right, it's telling you this is it's a green flag for you. I'm not saying red, it's green already, because you are in the money already. All right, so what you just need to do is quit. That's number one. Then number two, go to higher time frame of like 30 minutes. All right, then check. Then you have to zoom out, check the levels. All right, then the first level you have here is this point here. All right, that's the first one. Then the second one is this, which the spikes has grew past its level. All right, then another one we have is here. But if we should spot out the major levels, this is the first one here. Okay, then another this is not, it's not quite major, but I will just consider this based on the support level we're having here. All right, so I'll just consider it as this the first year, then the second year. Okay, so guys, and if I want to bring out the indicator, you can see that I am on the highest zoom level, like the highest zoom out level. And remember, in the previous video I told you that you can do this strategy, you can work on this strategy on any zoom level. All right, on any zoom level, just know exactly what you were doing. And the reason why we go for this is because we spot a very good entry at this point. All right, we spot a very good entry at this point with what we have here, which is not repainting. All right, at this level here. All right, when we toes back and forth, you see that it's not repainting, then that's why we have an R entry. All right, that's one of the conditions which I have explained earlier. I don't need to go back to that. Okay, so this is what we are having on this area here, which is very massive. All right, you see the spikes, the money we've made here is very massive. See guys, it's very massive. Okay, so let's wait more. There will be more spikes, that's the truth. And the reason why we have more spikes is let's go on 30 minutes time frame. You can see on 30 minutes time frame, we're just having it up here on 30 minutes time frame. All right, we're just having it up here, and when you toss back and forth, you see, so this is telling us that more spike will happen, but on the condition that, let's go to lower time frame, let's say M5, on the condition that this is coming back down to form another level. But by then probably all your profit might have been gone. You see, so this is what I meant, that is coming back to this level, sorry, this support level. Mind you, if you're not a professional on this, you might not get it well. All right, that's why I'm taking my time out to teach you. I ought not to draw another video by now, but I just need to. All right, before I could do the recording and, you know, do the little editing, and also looking for, it's time consuming, guys. time consuming. But for the sake of people who are out there, all right, who wants to know more about trading, and you can see that on this strategy I've not been hiding anything. That's why you must join us. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also if you're on the TikTok, I'm gonna drop this there. All right, so I'll share the link below. Also, if you want to join us on Telegram, those are the links that you'll be seeing when you check the description below. All right, so you can also join us there and pick free signals. And probably if you're interested in joining the IP, or you want me to be your mentor, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know on trading and basically on every strategy. You can say this strategy is working fine, but I'm just trying to let you understand to the core level of how you're going to go about this strategy. And probably I've been working on another strategy, but mind you guys, any strategy I drop for you on this channel, we have thousands of strategy. But the question I just want you asking yourself is, why do you keep on losing? Why do you keep on blowing accounts? Why? So that's why you need to learn, and that's why I'm taking my time out to teach you exactly what you need to know. So guys, you can share with this with family and friends. I will drop the first video link, I will drop the second video link, and also I will drop all my social media link. What is your exit point, and what is your I've taught you the entry point, now the exit point. Then why is my TP at this point? Why do I put my TP at this point? It's very simple. The reason why I put my TP at this point is because you can see this is resistance level. Okay, this is a resistance level. That's why I put my TP there, and probably it might get there, like 80% it might get there. Then what is your exit level? I've said that earlier. When you go to M1 time frame, right, you can see the spikes very, very long. What you need to do is just quit. Now when you check this on the indicator bar here, you see that we have it at the top here, which is telling you that quit. It has gotten to the top. You see at this level here, you see with the cross here, look at it above here, it has gotten to the top. All right, so you just need to quit. And anytime you're having any spikes, as long as the spikes, all right, you can see it happen multiple times, definitely it will sell for a while. Probably it might be coming down to this support level again. All right, it might come down to the support level again, but after that it might shoot up with some other multiple spikes. All right, but if it doesn't, going up little by little by creating higher highs, higher lows and stuff. So guys, that's what I have for you on this video.